Welcome to our new video. Today we shall discuss about the refraction through prism. First of all, we need to draw a prism. Consider a prism like this. This part of a prism is technically called as base. Therefore, it is marked like this. And this angle is technically called as angle of prism A. Consider a light ray entering into the prism like this. Now light is traveling from, this is air and this is glass. Therefore, light is traveling from a rarer medium to denser medium. So we have to draw normal to the surface. Here it is the normal to the surface. According to the first rule of refraction, when light ray is traveling from a rarer medium to denser medium, it will deviate towards the normal. It will deviate towards the normal. Ready? At the second point, the second surface also, we have to draw the normal to the second surface. Here light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. So according to the rule of refraction, when light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, it will deviate away from the normal. It will deviate away from the normal. Ready? Then the angle made by normals is technically called as n. N is the angle made by normals. If there is no prism, it's an assumption. If there is no prism, incident ray will travel like this. And if there is no prism, emergent ray, this ray is called as emergent ray and this one is called as incident ray. If there is no prism, emergent ray appear to be coming from a point like here. It appears to be coming from a point like here. Therefore, this angle, that is angle made by incident ray and emergent ray, is called as delta, where delta is called as angle of deviation. Ready? We know that if this angle is I and this angle also should be I, these two angles are always same. Therefore, if we write this angle as I, this angle should be considered I because this angle is called as angle of incidence. And this angle is called as angle of emergence, angle of incidence and angle of emergence. This angle can be taken as R1 and this can be taken as R2. If this angle is I, the total angle is I, this part is R1, the balance should be I minus R1. Like here it is E, therefore the total angle is E. The first part is R2, so the balance part is E minus R2. This is I minus R1 and this is E minus R2. And we know that this angle is always 180 degree. Therefore, the total angle here it is 180 degree. The first part is delta. The balance part should be 180 minus delta. Therefore, this angle is I, angle of incidence, N, angle of prism A. This angle is R1, therefore it is I minus R1. This angle is R2, therefore it is IE minus R2. And this angle is delta. This is the pictorial representation of refraction through prism. Here onwards, we are going for derivation. Derivation have several steps, several compartments. First of all, we want to find the value of delta in terms of angle of incidence and angle of emergence. First of all, we want to discuss about the value of delta. What is delta? Angle of deviation, angle made by incident ray and refracted ray. Delta in terms of angle of incidence and angle of emergence. Now we are going for the derivation in the second video.